Why is the chair keep cracking like that? I'm not even that heavy. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, that's on my... Welcome back to my... Oh, there's something in my eye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig video as usual, and it is from Unice. They sent me a reddish wig. It says reddish, no, is it red brownish? Either one, let me actually look. The brownish red, it is called the brownish red color wig, water wig. Unice sent me this hair. I can't lie, when I took it out of the packet, it smelled like it was washed. I said, oh, like, I don't know, I don't have to do the washing, because even now, like, I feel like they washed it before they sent it. I was like, oh, okay. The only thing I would say though is I would need to pluck the front just a little bit, because it does have like the, you know, like the manufactured type of, you know, line. So yeah, I'm gonna pluck it just a little bit, and then yeah, you guys will see. But for the information, it is 24 inches. Obviously this color, I'm kind of excited because I've never done this color before. Oh yeah, also like, comment and subscribe. I'm so late. And it got sent in this box. Let me just open it and show you guys what's inside. So they sent the band, wig cap. Oh, another a band, but it's like velvety. Another band. I think this is the bag for the wig. Is it a bonnet? I need a bonnet right now as well, to be honest, so this is very handy. I always lose my bonnet somewhere, like it's either behind the bed, under the bed or something. Oh, it's like a little satin little bonnet, so it's cute. That's nice. Yeah. And some lashes. Very long ones. Pluck it a little bit because the line was obvious, but it actually didn't take really long. Like they're already kind of, like, it's not thick, you know, it's not like one of those thick lines. As you can see, they already kind of did like the layer, because literally I just plucked the front of it, like the front line. The rest, like, I think is all done. So yeah, it is kind of pre-plucked. So on the inside we got the clips. I'm actually not going to wear a wig cap, so I'm just going to slap straight on. It does have the band as well. Cool. I'll just use the clips if anything. Yeah. Now we are going to glue, and I'm going to use the trusted Got To Be spray, and I'm going to use the yellow glue this time, but I'm not going to put too much, because when you put too much, that's when the white bit comes and it just gets a bit techie. So yeah, I'm going to put a thin layer of this and then just put this back on. Found it.
Here we are again, but this always happens. It ain't like we're scared, but we know what happens when things move too fast, but should be moving slow. And it makes me want you more. Oh boy, I've been wanting this more than you know, boy. It's killing me, but we should take it slow, boy. It'd be so much better if we wait till we can't wait no more, wait no more. For the love is there, so there's no need for rushing. You can come right here, but don't you start that touching it. this build up. It's worth the wait for something bigger. I've been wanting this more than you know. You know. It's killing me, but we should take it slow. It'd be so much better if we wait till we can't wait no more. Wait till we can't wait no more. Boy, this more than you know, boy. It's killing me, but we should take it slow. We should take it slow, slow. It'd be so much better if we wait till we can't wait no more. Yeah, yeah. Baby, we got time.
Well, the baby hairs are finally done, guys. Now it's just for styling. Cool. So I'm literally just gonna get straight into it with the spray bottle. Once the spray bottle is done, I'm gonna use the mousse and we're gonna call it a day because I'm tired. I actually need to leave my house now. I am very late. No, not my hair just coming out. Just get back in there because I don't have time for you right now. I'm gonna put like a little bit of product, my curl activator, just a little bit because I don't want it to be too like heavy with products. I'm gonna start by putting the mousse on the front, the top I mean.
Wait till we can't wait no more. Wait no more.
I can't lie, I'm gonna put some of the mousse through the hair as well because I think that's what I've done last time with Water Wave and it actually did a good job. Use the Eco Styling Gel to kind of put the front down, make it look a bit flat. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me show you guys the length as well. So it's very long. It's back a bit. It's very long. I like it. I love it. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. I can't lie, the texture of the hair is really good as well. And I love the curls. It's like, it's not the dead water wave, it's the nice, thick, you know, voluminous water wave. So, Unice, you knew what she was doing. Okay, thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.